kids, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at home. Welcome to online classes. This side Hema Yadav from Shiv Jyoti Educational Group. Children, today we will revise chapter 8, addition and subtraction. In this chapter we will cover only addition. So let's start. Here we will learn addition of 2-digit and 1-digit number, addition of 2-digit numbers, addition on a number line, addition by carrying over method and word problem. So children, can you tell me what is the meaning of addition? Addition means putting things together. When we will keep the things together, this is called addition. So look here, adding two things means putting them together and counting again. The symbol of addition is this, read as plus. Children, this is the symbol of addition. This is the symbol of addition, and what we read it? We read it as plus sign. Clear children? Now, each finger has 3 sections. You all have your hand, and in your hand there are fingers, and each finger has 3 sections. Look here in this hand. This is your hand, and each finger has 3 sections. We will start counting from the little finger and go through towards the thumb. From where we will start counting? We will start counting from the little finger, and we use thumb for counting the numbers. हम अपने thumb को use करेंगे numbers को count करने के लिए. So look here, this one is your little finger, and we will start counting like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on the numbers. Children, look here, I am giving you one example on the board. Suppose we are going to add 3 plus 4. So we will keep the sign of addition here in front of the numbers. Now what we will do? We will keep bigger number in our mind. Which number is bigger here? 4 is bigger. So we will keep this number in our mind and move forward the other number. Which number is other here? 3 is other here. So after 4 we will start counting on our finger. 5, 6 and 7. Where we will stop? Where 3 is coming. We will see addition of 2-digit and 1-digit number. Here you can see, here are 2-digit in this number, and here is only 1-digit in this number. So look at the given example. We have to follow some step to solve this question. Step 1, add the ones and write the sum under the ones. Can you tell me the meaning of sum here? Sum means addition. We are adding number here. So what we are getting? This number is called sum of the numbers. Clear? Here 3 is at ones place and 4 is at ones place. So we will add these two numbers here. I am writing the number over here. Look here. T denote for tens and O denote for ones. 23 plus 4. Now what we will do again? We will keep bigger number in our mind. This is 4 and move forward 3. After 4, 5, 6 and 7. So we will, what we get sum here? Look here again. After 4 we will start counting 5, 6 and 7. So what is the sum of these 2-digit number? This is 7. And here is no any number. So we will write 2 as it is. Clear everyone? Now look here. Step 1 mein what we have done? We add the ones and write the sum under ones. We add the ones digit here and write the ones at the ones place. Step 2, write the tens as it is. We have written 2 as it is here. Clear? Now addition of 2-digit numbers. Now children, we will see 2-digit numbers in both the numbers. We have to follow again some steps. Step 1, add the ones and write the sum under the ones. here 5 and 3. These both numbers are at ones place. So we will add these two numbers first. And step 2, add the tens and write the sum under the tens. Here 1 and 2. These both numbers are at tens place. So we will add these numbers at the tens place and we will write the sum of these numbers at the tens place. Look here. We are going to add 25 and 14. So what we will do? We will keep bigger number in our mind and move forward to the 4. कहाँ पे जाएंगे? 4 तक, where 4 is coming in your finger. Look here. After 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. 4 is written here. So we will stop here. So what is the total of 5 and 4? It is 9. And we can say sum of these numbers is 9. And 2 plus 1, we will keep again bigger number in our mind. It is 2 and move forward 1. It will be 3. So total of these number is 39 and the sum of these number is 39. Now we will see addition on a number line. Children, here number line is given. In this we will see how can we solve the sum on the number line. Here we are going to add 43 plus 6. So we keep 43 here and we will move forward 6 numbers like here, like it. Look here, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48 and 49. How many jumps we have taken? We have taken 6 jumps because we are adding 6 in 43. Look at the example here on the board. Suppose we are going to 18 and 7. So we will mark 18 here and draw 7 sticks on the line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. And we will start counting after 18 and stop here where 7 is coming. After 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24 and 25. So what is the sum of these two numbers is? 18 plus 7 is 25. Clear children? Now we will see carryover method here. In carryover method we have to arrange the numbers in columns. Numbers को हम columns में arrange करेंगे. Then what we will do? We will add the digit at our ones place first. जो digit ones place पे है हम उन्हें add करेंगे. And after adding these numbers, if we will get the number after 9, then we will keep the number which coming at ones place and the another number we will carry on the other numbers. Clear children? Now I am giving you an example. Look here. 26 and 18. This number is of tens and this one is ones. So what we will do? We will keep bigger number in our mind and move forward 6. So 8 plus 6 will be 14. Look here. After 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So we will write how many digits we get in 14? We get 2 digits. So we will write ones digit here at the ones place and the another digit we will carry over the next digit. It is 1. Clear? Now we will again keep the bigger number in our mind and move forward the other number. After 2 is 3 and after 3 is 4. Don't forget to add this carryover number. This is 44. 26 and 18. What we get? We get 14. After adding these two numbers, we will write 4 here and we will carry over 1 on the tens place. 2 plus 1 3 and this one is 4. Clear everyone? Now come to the word problem. Binny has 20 coins. Her father gives her 15 more. How many coins Binny have in all? Children, how many coins Binny has? Binny has 20 coins. And how many coins her father gives to her? Her father gives 15 more. So what we will do? We will arrange the digit at the ones columns first. हम numbers को columns में arrange करेंगे and then we will solve the sum. Here in 20, 0 is at ones place and 2 is at tens place, and in 15, 5 is at ones place and 1 is at tens place. So what we will do? We will add the number. Children, you know when we add 0 in any number, then what we will get? We will get the number itself. Here we are going to 0 plus 5. So what we will get? We will get 5 here. And here 2 plus 1. We will keep bigger number in our mind and move forward the other number. Here 2 and 3. This is the sum of these numbers. So what is the answer? Answer is 35 coins Binny have in all. Now I am giving you one more example from your book. So children, open your books, page number 114. The question number is B. Which one is at the top part of the page? Here Asba has 17 beads. Her mother gives her 19 more. How many beads does Asba have? How many beads Asba have? We have to find out. So first of all, tell me how many beads Asba has. Asba has 17 beads, and how many her mother gives her? 19 beads her mother gives her. So what we will do? We will take out the sum of these numbers. So again we will keep bigger number in our mind and move forward to the 7. After 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16. 7 is coming here in our finger. So what is the total of these two numbers? It is 16. How many digits are here in 16? 2 digits. So what we will do? We will write ones place here at the ones place, and the other digit we will carry over the next number. Clear everyone? Now 1 plus 1 plus 1. What we will get? We will get 3 here. So total beads 36 Asba has. So children, I hope you must have understood this video. Thank you children.